For this video ay kung paano mag-approve ang employer sa Pag-ibig online loan application ng employee. So, nag-loan online yung employee, then mag-approve din online yung employer. So, first is yung employer kailangan may virtual account. Then, after, once may virtual account ka na, mag-login na tayo. Then, click here. Then, click Manage Employee Loans. Then, click Certify. Number of short-term loan applications. So, may isa. Then, click View. Applicant's name, loan amount, then monthly amortization, then date application. Then select action, certify or decline. So, dito tayo sa certify. Then enter gross monthly income ng employee. Then net monthly income. Then click here. Then click submit. Loan application successfully certified and submitted to Pag-ibig Fund for processing. Then okay. So, yung amount sa application ay hindi pa final. So, yung final amount ay sa Pag-ibig approval. Then, after once ma-approve ng employer, so for sure, approve naman yan ng Pag-ibig. So, as simple as that. Kaya, mag-virtual account na tayong lahat.